Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 1 integers. Exercise 1.4. Last class we discussed about properties of division case we discussed. Now we are going to discuss the problems. Exercise 1.4 problems. First Roman they tells about evaluate. First question they given us minus 30 divided with 10. Minus 30 divided with 10. How to divide minus 30 divided with 10? So easy way. First of all, we write as in fractional way and cancel. You get it. And so to separately division box draw and divide. Any method you can follow. So how we can write fractional way? Always dividend. Which is our dividend? First number represent as a dividend. Second number represent as a divisor. Result how much getting, that is the quotient. Remainder balance how much getting, that is our remainder. Small loss onwards division case you are learning. So here first number is minus 30, that is our dividend. Always first number big or small, that one write on the numerator. By second number divisor write on the denominator. 0 0 cancel. Meaning 1 table minus 3 when it is 1 table when we get 3 here answer become 3 is the answer. 1 into 3 become 3. So what is the answer here? And 1 minus is that's where answer become minus 3 is the answer. I hope you can understand. One more question, second question. Minus 36 divided with minus 10. How to divide this? They also write as in fractional way. That is easy for cancellation. That's why first number minus 36 divided with minus 9. Denominator is divisor number. Minus change to plus. 9 table 9 1 time. 9 table 36 how many times? 4 times. 9 into 4 become 30. So what is the answer? 4 is the answer. Next one more question. Third question. 13 divided minus 2 plus 1. Next question. How to divide this number? First always we give preference for the bracket calculation. That answer finding after calculate with the outside number. So 13 divided with the inside bracket minus 2 plus 3. One is in addition case, one is negative integer, other is positive integer. What we want to do, opposite side means subtract to do and put to big number sign. So 2 minus 1 become 1, which is bigger number, 2 is bigger, sign of symbol of 2 is minus, that's why minus 1. Division property learning time already we learned that any number divided with 1, what is the answer? Always it to become a same answer only. Or same number, any number divided with the same number, what is the answer? 1 is the answer. That property last class we discussed. Here 13 is divided with which number? 1. Any so fractional wise right, and that means 1 table when we get to 13 only. So answer is 30, but it is a negative number is there. That's why answer become minus 13 is the answer. I hope you can understand that. Or in this way thinking any number divided with 1 answer is always what is the answer? Same number itself. Then next step. Fourth question. Here minus 31 divided with minus 30 plus minus 1 in this way question. So here also what we want to do, inside bracket calculation first we give preference. So minus 31 divided with both are negative numbers. Same sign means what we want to do, here plus or minus change to minus 30 plus or minus minus 1. Again both are negative. That's why minus 31 divided with the same sign means what we want to do, add and put a minus sign. So minus 30. Here see same number division. Same number division means what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Or otherwise fraction wise right means minus 31 is our numerator. Second term, that is divisor, comes as a denominator. Minus minus change to plus, same number cancellation, because how much is the answer? 1 is the answer. I hope you can understand this method model question. Then next we go through second Roman. In second Roman, they tell us about here verification doing. Verify. Second Roman, verify. Verify A divide, expression is given. A divided B plus C is not equal. Already they given not equal to A divided distributive property apply. B inside first number, then here plus is there. Again outside A is divided with inside a second number. Then both left and right side answer is not equal. We want to verification doing. Already they given that it is not equal. Is it right or wrong? First we verification. A value and a B value and C value is given. In first question A value given as 12. B value given as minus 4, C value given as 2. In this way they given. Just how to calculate first the left hand side of the expression calculation do. Then next is right hand side of the expression take calculation do. Checking both answer same or not. Not means we can say our expression is correct. LHS side is not equal to RHS side. So we can substitute the value. LHS part first we consider. LHS of our expression is A divided B plus C. So A place A value 12 divided with B place B value minus 4 plus C place C value 2. Always we give a first preference for bracket calculation. So 12 divided minus 4 plus 2. One is negative number, other is positive number. In addition case, what we want to do, subtract and put to big number. So 4 minus 2 become 2. A bigger number is 4. Symbol of 4 is minus. That's why we get to minus 2. Here how to do? Already we learned easy way. Write as in fractional form and cancel. 2 table to 1 time. 2 table 12 6. Here 6 by 1 means we can write it as 6, but minus is there. Our answer this side, left hand side answer, because how much we got? Minus 6. Same way RHS part of the expression. RHS part of the expression is A divided B plus A divided C is the RHS part of the expression. That means A plus A value, first bracket A value, that is 12. B plus B value minus 4, bracket to close, plus second bracket A value is 12, divided C value is how much? 2. Again calculation. Here how to do this one for a easy way, fractional wise right hand calculation. That means numerator become 12 and denominator become 4. Then here middle plus is the second bracket, that also write as in fractional form means 12 divided 2. Here a 4 table for how many times? 1 time. 4 table 12 how many times? 3 times. So 4 table 12 3 times. Here also 2 table to 1 time, 2 table 12 how many times? 6 times. So what are the answers? In the first term here denominator minus is there, that's why minus 3 will get in. Plus second term which answer? 6 by 1 means we can write it as 6. Again it is in which form? 1 is negative number, other is positive number. Opposite sign case addition rule says that opposite sign means subtract and put to big number. So 6 minus 3 become 3 and which number is bigger? 6 is bigger. Symbol of 6 is positive. That's where answer become plus 3. Then see LHS answer and R. Is it the same? No. Already we proved. Therefore we can say LHS answer is not equal to the RHS answer. I hope you can understand the second Roman question. Then next we go through third Roman. In third Roman they say some fill in the blanks questions. In fill in the blanks question already you know. Here same number division case we get always answer as 1. Here any number divided with 1 answer is always how much? Same number itself. That type of questions. The third Roman fill in the blanks case. Fill in the blanks. Here a dash is the which number, insert that. First question they given us 369 divided with one number and final answer result. Quotient is given 316. So divisor place which number, insert in time. Quotient become 369. Already division rule says that any number divided with which number 1 we get to same. That's why here we can insert which number, dash place 1 we can insert in this dash place we can insert it with 1. Second, minus 75 is divided with a dash. We want a result as or a quotient to become minus 1. Think it. Minus 75 is divided with which number to get answer as 1. A simple case which later we can think. Any number divided with which number we get answer become 1. Same number itself. So here which answer we need, a same number means now which is our given number, 75. That's why we can put a dash to place 75. Again thinking symbol case. Here which symbol comes as the quotient to place or result to place minus. When we get to minus all the time negative symbol repeat to means we get negative answer. Even then negative symbol repeat to means we get to positive answer. Multiplication rule already we learned. Here how many times negative symbol? 1 time. 1 is odd number. That's why second 75 is a positive 75. Then only result to become which result coming a minus 1 will get. Here also minus put means 2 times minus symbol repeated. 2 times minus symbol repeated means answer change it as a plus 1. They given in our question they given us a minus 1 as the result. So we get mark it as 75 as the blank place. Next, third question. Minus 206 is divided with a dash. We get to answer as 1. See this question. So here also we know that when we get a quotient become 1, this much big number divided with which, that means 206 is divided with which number we get answer become 1. Same number using and dividing time answer become a 1. First we 1 how to get, that means same number, which is a same number 206. Next you thinking a symbol case. Symbol case here which answer positive 1. When we get to positive in question 2 negatives coming time answer become a positive 1. That's why here how many negative, only 1 negative. That's why here inserted place number place we can substitute as a minus 206. Then minus minus change to plus, same number division means we get answer as a 1. Next one more question. One more question, dash divided with 4. Answer we need as a 3 as minus 3 as answer, like this way. So which number inserting time here divisor is 4. Divisor 4 means divided with 4 table. Divided with 4 table, when we get answer as a result as a 3 12, 4 into 12 become a, 4 into 3 become a 12. That's why we can say, here which number you write in there, we get answer as 3, 12, writing 12 is divided with 4, we get answer as 3. Again problem here, answer place, result place, which is symbol minus symbol. So then next you think plus 12 or minus 10. Rule says that odd time negative symbol is there means we get a negative answer. Even the negative symbol repeat means we get here negative answer. That's why we understood that which 12 we can insert there, minus 12 inserted there, then you get a dividing time, then you get which answer minus 3 will get in there. I hope you can understand this model question. Fill in the blanks. This type some more questions are there. We can discuss later. Okay. Then fifth question. Room temperature is given. In room temperature at 12 noon. What about 12 noon? 12 noon represent as afternoon. In afternoon, 12 o'clock, room temperature become 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Above zero means it represent as positive 10 or negative 10. Above represent as positive 10 degrees Celsius. Remember. So above 0 degree, the room temperature at 12 noon, the room temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. Then each hour after 2 degrees Celsius were reducing, decreasing. Each one hour going time 2 degrees Celsius were decreasing. In this question, two parts are there. At that time, at what time the room temperature become 8 degrees Celsius below the 0 degree. Below the 0 degree, that means below it represent as in which way? Negative, minus 8 degrees Celsius. First part they tells about what is the time when the room temperature become 8 degrees Celsius below the 0 degree. That means minus 8 degree. Second part of this question tells about to midnight what is the room temperature. Midnight means 12 a.m. 12 o'clock. At midnight what is the room temperature. These two parts are there. So how we can write this one? First each one write down 12 noon. 12 noon, what is the room temperature? Room temperature at 12 noon. Room temperature at 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. 12 after next one, 1 p.m. is equal to 10 degrees. Each hour, how much degree we are reducing? 2 degrees Celsius. So 10 minus 2 become 8 degrees Celsius, 1 o'clock. Then 2 p.m. what is the room temperature? 8 degrees Celsius minus again 2 degrees Celsius were reduced. That means 6 degrees Celsius. Then 3 p.m. what is the room temperature? 6 degrees Celsius minus again 2 degrees Celsius reducing time 4 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m. what is the room temperature? 4 degrees Celsius minus again 2 degrees Celsius reducing. So 2 degrees Celsius. 5 p.m. what is the room temperature? 2 degrees Celsius minus again there also each 1 hour 2 degree were reducing. 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 0 degree Celsius. Then 6 p.m. is equal to how much? 0 degrees Celsius minus again 2 degrees Celsius reducing means it to become how much? Minus 2 degree Celsius. 7 p.m. it to become minus 2 degree minus again 2 degree were reducing is equal to minus 4 degree Celsius. 8 p.m. it to become how much? Minus 4 degrees Celsius minus again 2 degree Celsius reducing means it to become minus 6 degree Celsius. 9 p.m. what is the room temperature? Minus 6 degree minus again 2 degrees Celsius reducing is equal to so what we can say that at 9 o'clock room temperature become 8 degree below the 0 degree. Below the 0 degree means it represent as minus 8 degree. That is the first part of the question. Second part what they asking? They asked about what is the room temperature at midnight. Midnight means 12 o'clock. What is the room temperature? So continuing 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. what is the room temperature? Minus 8 degree. Again 2 degrees Celsius were reduced. It to become minus 10 degrees Celsius. Then 11 p.m. it to become how much? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Again 2 degree were reduced is equal to minus 12 degree. Then 12 midnight case what is the room temperature? Midnight means 12 o'clock. So midnight is equal to room temperature at midnight minus 12 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. So what we can say, at midnight room temperature become a minus 4 degree Celsius. I hope you can understand this word problem. In this question they tells about 3 marks are awarded for. How many marks? 3 marks are, positive 3 marks are awarded for a correct question. Each correct question 3 marks are given. And minus 2 marks are given for each incorrect question. Each incorrect question minus 2 mark are awarded. Then there are also 2 parts are there. 2 parts are there means first part, one girl name was Radhika. Radhika's total score is given. How much mark she got? That total score is given. She got a 20 mark. And they saying that she attempted 12 correct question. 12 correct question. What they are asking means they asking how many questions she make incorrect or mistake. Incorrect they asking, that is the meaning. Incorrect number of questions they ask to find out. Once again I repeating. Correct, each correct question how much mark, correct answer how much mark will getting 3 mark. Each wrong question answer how much mark they are awarded minus 2 mark. Then Radhika case, first part, Radhika's total mark is given as anyhow negative mark and positive mark calculating, anyhow she got how much is the total score of Radhika. 20 mark is the total score of the Radhika. Then next they given as she attempted 12 questions she make a 12 questions answer correct, and they says that some questions she make mistake. So how many questions she make answers mistake? That number of questions answers they are asking, incorrect answers number they are asking. That is the first part. So how to start? How to start the first part means we can write marks gets for. How many questions Radhika make correct? 12 questions. So 12 correct answer. 12 correct answer. Each question make how many mark? Each question getting how many mark? 3. She make how many question correct? 12. So we can write it as 12 into 3 equal how much? 36 mark she getting for a correct question. Then minus mark is there. That means marks gets for number of incorrect questions. We don't know how many questions she make mistake. We don't know. In that situation what we want to do? Unknown case we consider an alphabet X. So unknown number case we consider it as an alphabet X. How incorrect answer. We don't know correct number of incorrect answer. So X incorrect answer is equal to, here also each incorrect question how much mark will getting a minus 2. So incorrect question is multiplied, answer is multiplied with each question how much mark? Minus 2 mark. X into minus 2 means how much? Always we write a number first then afterwards value. So minus 2x is the marks get for a X incorrect answers. Then therefore total score is given there. Total score of Radhika. Radhika's total score. Total score how to get a correct answer score plus mark plus incorrect answers mark. Correct question how many marks she got? 36 plus incorrect answer how much mark she got? A minus 2x mark. mark. But the total score of Radhya is given. Total mark, how much she got? Total mark is given as that is equal to 20. Our aim is to find this unknown value x, number of incorrect question we want to find out. Then plus or minus change to minus. Minus 2x is equal to 20. Negative term send to opposite, that is bus, that change to positive. So plus 20 bring to left side, I change it to minus 20. Minus 2x variable term send it to 20 is a constant term. That's why that constant term bring to left side and variable term send it to right side. Minus 2x goes to right side, change it to plus 2x. 36 minus 20 because how much it will get in there? 60 equal 2x. Our aim is to find x value. How to find x value? 2 table use right and left cancellation possible. 2 table 2, 1 10, 2 table 16, 18. That means x value become how much? 8. This implies that x means what? Number of incorrect questions. So how many questions she make a mistake? 8. Meaning is 8 questions. Answers she make a mistake. That is the meaning of that question. So like that way, minus 2, 8 questions, minus 8 into minus 2 because how much? Minus 16. So that's why she got 36. From 36, this minus 16 subtraction doing there, how much will getting a total score become 20. That is the meaning of that question. I hope first you can understand the first part. Same way, second part. Second part, they tells about another girl. Her name is Mohini. Mohini case. In Mohini case, her total score is given there. Her total score is minus 5. She got a total mark as minus 5 only. Then how many questions she make correct means 7 questions. Seven answers are correct. Seven answers are correct. 7 answers are correct. Then here also they are asking a Mohini how many questions make a mistake. Same thing only. Same procedure. So how to do? Same thing. Mark gets for how many questions she make correct? 7 correct answers. That means each question how many mark will get in there? 3 marks. So 7 into 3 because how many mark actually she got? 21 mark. But how many questions answer she make mistake we don't know. That's why we unknown part we consider an x value. X incorrect answer is equal to x into minus 2. First we write negative number, so minus 2x. Therefore total score of second person name is Mohini. How to find out a total score? Correct question, correct answer plus incorrect answer. They are adding time. We will get to the number of total score. So correct question mark is how much? 21 plus incorrect question answer mark is how much? Minus 2x. But her total score is how much they given? Minus 5. That is equal to minus negative value, negative mark also including. That's why she got only how much total mark? Minus 5. The calculation plus or minus change to minus 2x is equal to minus. We are also constant terms and bring to one side, variable terms send to opposite side. So 21 plus 5 bring to opposite side comes to minus 5 bring to opposite side comes to be plus 5. Minus variable term minus 2x goes to opposite side. Symbol are changed. Don't forget that. Plus 2x. 21 plus 5 comes to be how much? 26 equal. So 2x. Then 2 table, our aim is to find x value. 2 table 2, 110. 2 table 26, how many times 30? That means this implies that here number of incorrect question is how much? 30. Mohini make how many questions mistake? 13 questions. She make a mistake. That's why her score become how much? Minus 5. 13 question make mistake means each question how many mark will awarded? minus 2 mark. So 13 twos are how much will come getting a minus 10. Here correct question answer is how much? 21. So 21 plus minus 26 means how much will getting her total score? Here minus 5. That's why her total score become a minus. I hope you can understand this. So how many questions she make a mistake? 13 questions she make a mistake. Verification doing in this way. I hope you can understand this question. This chapter is completed. Next topic, next class we can discuss. Thank you.